I hope you can't hear this noise because this is annoying. I don't want to do a voiceover. I hate it. Hello everyone! Today we will do something new and unusual completely. No, not really. We will do makeup and we will do Cyberpunk Ciri makeup. As you may remember, I started this project in March, I think. And it's been a while and I thought, okay, I have at least a few pieces done now so that I could do a makeup test to motivate myself and finish it properly, finally. So, you know, yes. So big thank you for Optic Cosmos for joining me on this journey. They've sent me green werewolf lenses, which I will use for Ciri. I really love working with the lenses because they are comfortable. My eyes are very sensitive, so the products they send to me are always good. And I can survive hours and hours wearing these lenses during a con. So if you want to support any business during this pandemic, Optic Cosmos is a small family business and, well, they got my seal of approval, so if you want to support, just go there. And if you use the code that will appear somewhere, anywhere, wherever, I'm just a floating head, you will get 6% off of your next purchase. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to put on these lenses, show you the difference, and we'll start with the makeup. As you can see, this is the eye one with the lens, and the difference is much stronger than in the previous video we did together. It's because Ciri's eyes are so beautiful, and I really wanted to find a lens that resembles it. And yes, green werewolf was the choice for me. I'm very happy I got it. Now I'm wearing both lenses. As you can see, they are green and dark on the edges, but also around there is tiny lighter green in them. And if you look closely into Ciri's photos from The Witcher 3, you will see that she has this tiny little lighter green and then the deep green that she has in her eyes. And I really wanted lenses that would represent it. So I'm glad I got them and I recommend them. And now we'll move on to Now we will move on to doing the makeup. Okay, I got all sorts of the eyeshadows, liners, thingies, and I am starting with like one of the black eyeshadows that I have. So this is the finished look. I hope you liked that video, and yeah, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, hit the don't like button. No, don't do that. No, subscribe. That's what I'm supposed to say. Hit something, whatever. I guess it helps.